My people, oh, my country people, oh. Abeg make una come follow me see wetin dey happen for town o. Wahala be like bicycle wey no wear tire o. Like wahala dey o. Na wetin we never see finish o. Now we think say we don see finish. This yo matter e be like book o. E be like book. I'm telling you. As you dey open and you dey see more things. Una know say Oga yo close the case of his son. He say make dem close am say na God na bring, na God na take. Recently, na people come tell me say no. They disagree. They don't like that word where they say na God bring, na take. Say make he reopen the case. Now she can't go meet the tell and say, I beg go. Now go reopen this case. So this are one that is speaking English and na God take. Na God bring, na take. Say no. They don't want her like that too. This God bring, God take so. They don't like him. I beg that may they do something about it. My country people. Before I go continue this matter, make I first greet una first. I greet and I salute all of una according to una time. Una welcome back. To Kasala News TV. If you never subscribe to Kasala, I will quickly hit and smash the button when it says subscribe. If you don't already subscribe, I say thank you. Baba God will do for heaven, go bless una for me. Don't forget, put on your notification bell so that anytime when I put any program, you go there among the very first people you go see her. Make una follow me to share my video. Make una also they like my video, guys. While I did, it plenty for inside Abulegba. Ha! Now so this life be. This life now so it be. My country people. It's not a small something, no. It is a very big matter. Una know say camera come out of the car and the person when he buy Kambili. If Papa say me they throw and say no longer they interested, he no want fight for that case, is enough that they want to move on with their life. Now they consider okay. Nobody will say me not move on with your life, but sometimes if something happen like this, it's good to find out. They can't cover the matter. They cover the matter. They don't want to make the truth come out. Now people tell me, say no. You dey more that time you are in pain and you know they see. But they do the case somehow, not green. May they do this case like that. Stand up for your pikin. Tell them you won't know what by that pikin. You want to know how far. May they give you the result of the autopsy. Then you go carry and go another place. Hey God. Exactly what they advise me. Now I may do. True. She carry and come out. Say no. Enough is enough that she's not going to take it. May they read down the way it be. May they give her you carry and go another hospital. Make it they go check. Make it they for explain well for her. Because as they give them, if you not give doctor, make doctor explain, you not go know them. Now I make contact and say me they give am. He won't carry and go another place. Me therefore explain for him because the way they come they do for there, it can't be like say them with you don't already talk. We're not gonna believe what happen. So first they say no, say it's supposed to come with you because the person when they give them that case, now you now he come report for police station immediately. Now you now he carry on the autopsy immediately. Now you now he say me they do the autopsy, but later now he see close the case. Say they're supposed to he's supposed to come down with you, or now you supposed to come collect, and I come tell them say no. Say now he picking. Now he be the mother of that boy. Me they not worry. Me they give her. Even though they know why I explain, it's fine. Me they just give am the autopsy. The waka go up, waka go down, waka go up, waka go down, waka go up. Autopsy result, they not let them bring. She was waiting patiently. So she come tell us, okay, if they not bring them, they go hear from his lawyer. Now, the problem we will get right now is say they don't finally give am the thing. The envelope wey they give am was not sealed. It's already opened. Now she come tell the doctor say, I don't feel call you before so they call. You say you prepare the thing and wait for me. You're supposed to give me a sealed envelope. Not envelope that is open like somebody don't check them already before me I come here. He said no, say I forget to seal them. He can't give me. So me can't open and see him. He not to understand within the inside. The lawyer contacts me, not worry. They will take and go give their own doctor. So the doctor can see. And me consult, okay. Ha! It's not fair. Oh. It's not fair at all. So when he don't carry and finish, go give his doctor. His doctor come open and come to say this thing not be full autopsy. The cut now, this is not the full old papers. Why the hospital will give him half of the paper? They explain the cost of the buying. They never explain the cost of the buying finish. So how come? Who give him this thing? It's not complete. He has to give you the complete one. And what they see here, say they find trace of something for the boy, blood for the body. So what they see so far, say come say they poo for the boy. He may just start to cry. Now the lawyer come and say this is not time to cry. You. We go meet the hospital so that they will give us the full autopsy result of this boy. I be they don't already carry half when it contain a lot of things. Give yo. Or what are they trying to say? Or what are they trying to do right now? The lawyer can begin the verse. The doctor come tell and say, no, may take an easy. This not be the time of verse. Oh, may they follow the case much more. Because they begin the verse now, may go begin to cry. Everything not is scatter again. Say not be so. May they suffer follow this matter. So they will see what they are looking for. Nobody will take hurry and fight they do. Now so the doctor can't put on now. My concern is what you get to benefit inside this autopsy. Why you don't want me to see what by this boy? What are they covering? What are they removing? What did they know that we don't know? Or wetin you know about this thing wey we no know? Because Kasala always a boss inside Kasala. Kasala don't boss again, no. Kasala don't boss again, no. No wonder I say not interested. No wonder I say no one pursue the case again. That means they don't tell I know. He go say if my wife come give her this one. May was so angry and crying. Why would you do this? Why you not tell him? Why you not call him? Why you not explain for him? I say, me, I don't know. I be you know why you they hide them. Me, I don't know. Now only you go tell us why they hide the autopsy results when it don't come out. Since you refuse to tell the mother. If May did not go and be finding out now, you know go know so the thing don't come out, they don't give you. And the doctor that call they give him another thing. Things say May go just carry and go give another doctor. But this life not balanced. Guys, make una share. Leave your comments and I will see you now for my next video. Thanks and God bless you all. Bye-bye.